Okay, today we're going to work on first grade lesson 11 worksheets. Use the table to answer the questions. So when you look at the left side of the graph, we have all the names, and then on the right side we have number of pets. Number 1, how many pets does Max have? So when we look at the name, and then we're gonna write the number next to the name. So just 5. So Max have 5 pets. Number 2, how many pets Andrea have? Andrea have 3 pets, write 3. Number 3, how many pets does Rosa have? Rosa have 2, so write 2. Number 4, how many pets does Eduardo have? Eduardo have 7, so write 7. Who has the most pets? So to find the most numbers, we have to find the largest number. And out of this table, out of this number, 7 is the largest, so it'll be Eduardo. Okay, number 6, which 2 children have the same number of the pets? So on the table, 2 has 2, amount of the number. We have 2 of 2, so Shayna and Rosa. Number 7, how many pets do Shayna and Steve have in all? In all means addition, so we're gonna add 2 and 4, which will be 6. So you can solve the rest of the question using the table. Next one, we're gonna do same thing, but this time it's the number of the point instead of the number of the pets. So, okay, number 1, how many points does Kayla have? Kayla have 28, so write 28. Number 2, how many points does Michael have? Michael have 30, so write 30. Who has the most points? So we have to look at the largest number, which will be 46, so Bradley. Okay, number 4, who has the fewest points? So we have to find the smallest, which will be 28, which is Kayla. Who has more points than Jamal? Jamal has 33, and we have to find a number which is greater than 33. When we look at the numbers, 30 is less than 33, and 40 is greater than, so one of them are Laura, and 28 is less than 33, and 46 will be greater than 33, so the other one will be Bradley. So write 2 of this name. You can use same table to solve the bottom questions. Now we're gonna do same table, but we have 3 columns. So first column we have classroom, and next one we have number of children who walked, and next one we have number of children who rides. So number 1, how many children in room 2 walk to school? So on room 2, we have to find the number of the children who walked. So we have to look at the second table. So it'll be 12. Number 2, how many children in room 4 ride to school? So room 4, and now we have to look at the second column, which is who have the rides. In room 4, it'll be 13. Number 3, which room has the most children to walk to school? So we're only gonna look at the walking school table. So out of this number, 15 is the largest, so it'll be room 3. Okay, which room has the fewest children who rides to school? Now we're only gonna look at the last column, and we have to find the least amount of the number, which will be 7, so it'll be also room 3. Okay, number 5, how many children in room 1 and 4 walk to home? So we're gonna add the 2 number, and we have to find room 1, walk to school, so it'll be 10. 10 plus room 4, walk to school will be 8. So 10 plus 8 will be 18. So you can solve the rest of the question using the same table. Okay, moving on to the next one. Now we have the table, but instead of the number, we have this lines represent number of the votes. So one line represent one vote, and this whole one sets represent 5 votes. So let's do number 1. How many votes did horses get? So when we look at the horses column, horses only have 1, 2, 3 lines, which means 3 votes. So it'd be 3. Number 2, how many votes did birds get? So when we look at the birds, they have one whole group, which represent 5 votes. So it'd be 5. Number 3, how many votes did fish get? So fish have one group of 5 and one line. So 5 plus 1 will be 6, so it'll be 6. Number 4, which type of animal got the most votes? So when we look at the graph, birds is 5, and cats has 2 of the 5, which represent the 10, and dog have 2 of the group plus 2, so it'll be 12. And then fish, we had 6, and horses, we have 3. So when we look at these numbers, we have to find the largest, which represent the most vote. So it'll be 12, which will be dogs. Next one, which type of the animal got the fewest vote? So we have to look at the least number, which represent the horses, and it'll be 3. So 3 is the fewest number, like smallest number. So horses have fewest vote. So you can solve the rest of the question using the table.